Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add social media buttons in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here plus, and then you want to click on empt and social, and click here on social bar or scroll down below. As you can see, you're gonna see all the social icons here that you can use. So you just click on it, and then what you can do is you can simply add it to like footer, right? Attach to footer, right? And you can add it where you want to add it, right? So for example here. So I would just move this here, and then I would like set social links. And you can simply like add icons if you want to. It's like really up to you now. Like Amazon, whatever. And then you get like Twitter here, and you can simply like change the web address. So when someone is going to click on it, he will get on Tumblr or Instagram, you know? So yeah, this is pretty much it how you do it, guys. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah, goodbye.